The nice thing about online video is that you can measure it impression by impression, and therefore you end up with these giant databases that you need to be able to process and aggregate and filter and clean up and all of that stuff. Fundamentally, the video industry seems like it's trying to follow the demographic guarantee model that TV has had. So, for example, if you are buying 18 to 34 adults, then they will basically see how much did you deliver, and if you missed, then you go for make goods. And then the other question is are all the ads that have been served actually were viewed, or were they skipped, et cetera, et cetera. On the first one, frankly, I'm concerned, because we have research that shows that if you are targeting adults 18 to 34, what about the people who are 35 to 54? Are we saying that they have zero value? And in fact, we have research that shows that they could have just as much value as the people who are in target, or they could have slightly lesser value than the people who are in target. So the notion that the only impressions that count are the impressions that meet a narrow target criteria is something that is a legacy of TV that ultimately I'm not sure that the internet or kind of online video needs to submit to, but right now that seems to be where the trend is going.
How important is viewability, and how are you trying to prove what's viewed, and where does that stand?
The engineering on this is actually more complex, but I think the technology is essentially trying to build a border around the frame where, the frame where the player is doing, and then track it to see if it is within the viewing area of the screen. The technology to do it is a little bit different than the technology that's used on display, but fundamentally the concept is very similar. I think it's very important whether we get the same magnitude as display. I don't think that video is going to have as high a percentage of non-visible impressions as display does.
So listen, learn, speak, provoke, but most of all, just drink it in and enjoy.